Have you ever stopped to think about what makes you unique? From your hair color to your personality, everything about you is coded within a microscopic structure called DNA. This molecule isn't just a part of you, it is you. It holds the instructions that shape life, guiding the development of every living thing on Earth. But DNA is more than just a blueprint. It's a time capsule linking us to our ancestors and a roadmap leading us into the future of medicine, evolution, and even crime solving. Today, we uncover the fascinating world of genetics, revealing surprising truths about the molecule that defines who we are. The double helix. DNA's structure is as mesmerizing as its function. Imagine a twisted ladder, with rungs made of tiny chemical bases that pair up in a precise order. This design, known as the double helix, was uncovered in 1953 by James Watson and Francis Crick, with crucial contributions from Rosalind Franklin. The shape isn't just beautiful, it's efficient, allowing DNA to store massive amounts of information in a microscopic space. Each cell in your body contains roughly 6 feet of DNA, folded neatly into chromosomes. The 4 bases, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, act like letters in a biological alphabet, forming sequences that tell your body how to function. Without this structure, cells wouldn't be able to divide, repair, or even exist. Every detail of your body, from the way your heart beats to how your skin heals, depends on this molecular masterpiece. The human genome. Inside every one of your cells is an instruction manual made up of over 3 billion DNA letters. This manual, known as the human genome, carries the complete set of genetic instructions needed to build and maintain your body. Scientists first mapped the entire human genome in 2003, an achievement that revolutionized medicine and our understanding of life. Surprisingly, only about 1.5% of our DNA actually codes for proteins. The rest, once thought to be junk DNA, plays crucial roles in gene regulation and cellular functions. The genome not only determines physical traits like eye color, but also influences your risk for diseases, your metabolism, and even aspects of your behavior. Understanding the human genome has paved the way for groundbreaking discoveries in genetics, allowing scientists to identify disease risks, create personalized treatments. Every letter in this genetic code carries a story, one that is still being written. How genes shape who we are. Your DNA is like a blueprint, but genes don't work alone in determining who you are. While your genetic makeup influences traits like height, intelligence, and personality, environmental factors play a major role in shaping your final characteristics. This field, known as epigenetics, explores how lifestyle choices, diet, stress, and even childhood experiences can turn certain genes on or off. Identical twins, for example, share the same DNA but often develop different health conditions, personalities, and preferences due to their environments. Even small lifestyle changes, like regular exercise or exposure to pollution, can alter gene expression, affecting how your body functions over time. Genes provide a foundation, but your experiences sculpt the final masterpiece. This delicate balance between nature and nurture is what makes each individual unique, proving that while DNA writes the script, life adds its own improvisations. Genetic mutations. Mutations are tiny changes in DNA that can have a massive impact. While some mutations lead to genetic disorders, these changes happen naturally as DNA is copied during cell division, and most are harmless. Occasionally, a mutation provides an advantage, such as increased resistance to disease or the ability to digest new foods. For example, a genetic mutation thousands of years ago allowed some humans to tolerate lactose, leading to widespread dairy consumption. On a larger scale, mutations drive the diversity of life, from the vibrant colors of flowers to the development of new species. However, mutations can also contribute to illnesses like cancer, where faulty genes cause uncontrolled cell growth. Scientists are now studying how to correct harmful mutations using advanced gene editing techniques, potentially erasing genetic diseases before they even begin. DNA testing and ancestry. Genetic testing has transformed how we explore our ancestry, revealing hidden connections across generations. By analyzing genetic markers, companies like 23andMe and Ancestry DNA can trace lineage, uncover lost relatives, and even identify the migration paths of our ancestors. Beyond heritage, DNA testing also provides insights into inherited health risks, helping people make informed decisions about their well-being. However, this technology comes with ethical concerns, such as privacy risks and potential misuse of genetic data. Some fear that DNA databases could be used for surveillance or discrimination in jobs and insurance. While genetic testing offers a window into the past, it also raises questions about the future of personal privacy and bioethics. Genetic engineering. The ability to edit DNA has moved from science fiction to reality. CRISPR, a revolutionary gene editing tool, allows scientists to modify DNA with incredible precision. This breakthrough has the potential to cure genetic diseases, improve crop yields, and even slow aging. Some researchers are using CRISPR to eliminate hereditary conditions like sickle cell anemia, while others are exploring ways to create disease-resistant plants. However, genetic engineering comes with ethical challenges. Should we allow genetic modifications to enhance human abilities? Could unintended consequences arise from altering DNA? The line between medical advancement and ethical dilemmas is becoming increasingly thin, making genetic engineering one of the most controversial scientific fields today. DNA and crime. DNA has become one of the most powerful tools in forensic science, helping to identify suspects, solve cold cases, and even exonerate the wrongfully convicted. Crime scene investigators analyze DNA left behind on objects like hair, skin cells, or blood to create genetic profiles. This method has helped crack decades-old mysteries and even reconstruct the appearances of unidentified individuals. However, forensic genetics isn't foolproof. Contamination, false matches, and misuse of DNA databases raise ethical concerns. While DNA has revolutionized criminal investigations, it must be used responsibly to ensure justice is served fairly. The role of genetics in medicine and disease prevention. Many diseases, from cancer to Alzheimer's, have a genetic component. By studying DNA, scientists can identify genetic risk factors and develop personalized treatments tailored to an individual's unique genetic profile. This field, known as precision medicine, allows doctors to prescribe medications that are most effective for each patient. For example, certain cancer treatments now target specific genetic mutations in tumors, increasing survival rates. Genetic research is also paving the way for early disease detection, allowing people to take preventive measures before symptoms appear. As our understanding of genetics grows, the future of medicine is shifting toward a more personalized, proactive approach to healthcare. The future of genetics. Genetic research is advancing at an unprecedented pace, with possibilities that once seemed impossible now within reach. Scientists are exploring gene therapies to extend human lifespan, create crops resistant to climate change, and even engineer microbes to clean up pollution. However, these advancements also bring risks. The potential for genetic discrimination, ethical dilemmas in gene editing, and the consequences of modifying life at a fundamental level remain significant concerns. As we stand on the brink of a genetic revolution, the choices we make today will shape the future of humanity for generations to come. DNA is more than a molecule. It's the story of life itself. It connects us to our ancestors, determines our present, and holds the key to our future. From unraveling mysteries to revolutionizing medicine, the study of genetics continues to reveal astonishing truths. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we unlock the secrets of DNA, we must tread carefully, ensuring that scientific advancements benefit humanity while respecting the ethical boundaries that protect us all.